plane ended its 6-minute flight at 3:31 p.m. with an unpowered ditching while heading south about 150 miles per hour in the middle of the north section of the Hudson River. Sullenberger said in an interview on CBS television that his training prompted him to choose a ditching near the location near operating boats as to maximize the chance of rescue. The location was near 3 boat terminals, 2 used by ferry operator New York Waterway on either side of the Hudson River, and a 3rd used by tour boat operator Circle Line Sightseeing Cruises. After coming to a stop in the river, the plane began drifting southward with the current.
Immediately after the A320 had been ditched in mid-river, the aircrew began evacuating the 150 passengers, both on the wings through the 4 mid-cabin emergency window exits and into an inflated slide deployed from the front right passenger door. The front left slide failed to operate as intended. While the partially submerged and slowly sinking airliner drifted down the river with the current, 2 flight attendants were in the front and there was 1 in the rear. Each flight attendant in the front opened a door which was also armed to activate a slide, although the port side slide did not immediately deploy. 1 rear door was opened by a panicked passenger, causing the aircraft to fill more quickly with water. The flight attendant in the rear, who had attempted to reseal the rear door, was not successful in doing so. She told CBS News, "It was later revealed that the impact with the water had ripped open a hole in the underside of the airplane and twisted the fuselage, causing cargo doors to pop open and filling the plane with water from the rear. The flight attendant urged passengers to move forward by climbing over seats to escape the rising water with the cabin. 1 passenger was in a wheelchair at the time."
Having twice walked the length of the cabin to confirm no one remained inside after the plane had been evacuated, Captain Sully was the first to last to leave the aircraft. Evacuees, some wearing life vests, waited for rescue of the partly submerged slides, knee-deep in the icy river water. Others stood on the wings or, fearing an explosion, swam away from the plane. Air temperature at the time was about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. There were about 5 serious injuries, one of which was a deep laceration in flight attendant Doreen Welsh's leg. In total, 78 people were treated, mostly for minor injuries and hypothermia. That's it.